Hello, everybody. I'm Francesco Lacriola from Planetek Italia. Very happy to be here. Excited to have people from all over the world. I see the chat quite active, so it's all good. Planetek Italia is a company founded in 1994, so we are turning 30 next year. The company was created with the goal of simplifying the complexity of space. So our challenge is to provide ourselves with satellite data and give to our customers just the information, keeping the complexity of the calculation behind the scenes. Planetek has three divisions, so B2B for private companies, public administration for the public entities, and the space stream for all the matters related to softwares that are installed on board of satellites. Today, I am bringing a couple of interesting use cases from a couple of customers that we have. They are municipalities from Italy, and both of them have used satellite data to improve the urban management decisions. The peculiarity of these use cases is that both municipalities used 15-centimeter high-definition Pleiad Neo data of new acquisition in order to tackle their challenge. So let's start with the first one, the municipality of Andria. Andria is a beautiful city in South Italy, not far from where we are located, as you can see on the map below. And the municipality is embarking on a comprehensive modernization of its railway network to enhance the urban traffic management. So since they are our customers since a few years now, we suggested them to use Pleiad Neo 15 centimeters data to tackle this ambitious project that we are about to watch. So basically, the municipality recognized the need for a major overhaul of its railway network because the existing infrastructure started to pose challenges to the urban traffic flow. In fact, the traffic flow was quite slowed down by this railway infrastructure in the middle of the city. And they were looking to make improvements to meet the growing transportation needs of the city. So their project is to take the whole railway network and station underground of the city. In fact, you can see here the rendering of the project. In order to do this activity, they needed to plan very carefully with an infrastructure engineering study the decisions, and they accepted our suggestion to do that by using satellite data. So as you can see from the picture here, they had these level barriers right in the middle of the city that were slowing down the traffic flow. And this was quite a challenge for the urban management. And this is the reason why they starting this ambitious project of taking everything underground the city. So they planned the activities thanks to the 15-centimeter Pleiad Neo data, and they could have informed decision of where to install this underground facility and all the works that they did after the approval of this new project. This is quite exciting because at the end of the new project, they will have 3 renovated urban areas with 3 new stations underground, and they will be built with the challenge of improving the sustainable mobility. So basically, to tackle this ambitious project in South Italy, the municipality of Andria turned to cutting-edge technology, so satellite data. And not only we provided them with the 15-centimeter data that were acquired in April 2023 and that we delivered a few weeks later, but we also provided them before with another Pleiad mosaic of the city a few months before, in order to let them focus on the progress of the work activities on the ground. So they managed both to use satellite data for the infrastructure engineering project that was accepted by the municipality, and also to follow the work activities over time. And they already accepted our proposal to do that also in the following years until the end of the works. So the improvements to the railway network in Andria are expected to have a significant impact on urban traffic management. The city has more or less 100,000 inhabitants, and the optimized railway system will contribute to reducing congestion and improving the overall flow of traffic within the city. This is an overview of the two, let's say a screenshot of the two satellite images we took for them. So the 50 centimeter back in 2022 and the 15 centimeter HD1 in 2023, both with Pleiad data. So we were very happy about this project because the municipality recognized that satellite technology plays a pivotal role in urban development, which is something that we believe in, but now it turned more and more in reality thanks to the decision of these municipalities that are thinking in an innovative way. The second use case I am bringing is from the municipality of Venice, which is probably better known by everybody. So Venice has a peculiarity. It always, the matter of this use case is always to enhance the urban planning with the leveraging Pleiad Neo data. And the peculiarity of Venice is that the transportation takes place through the water bodies. So it's known for the intricate canal systems, and so Venice faces unique challenges in urban planning and water resource management. We can say that the acquisition of 15 centimeter satellite data provides the city of Venice with a detailed view of its transportation network and water bodies. This was used for cartographic purposes, for urban planning and land management. And another interesting fact is that we gave them access to a specific license so that they could publish the satellite image in the geoportal of the municipality, which is something required by the municipalities in Italy. We can see here an example of the geoportal from Venice, here displaying roads and the mobility aspects of the city, and here representing the utility information and cartography purposes. So as I was saying, the municipalities in Italy are tasked with maintaining updated geographic information for urban planning, construction, and land management, data open to all the inhabitants. And this high-resolution satellite data are very useful to them because of this. It fulfills this challenge. And if you think about the peculiarity of the municipality of Venice, another very important aspect is they have to preserve the cultural heritage that is present inside the city. So the municipalities are also responsible for developing urban plans to manage urban expansion, for example, but to protect the environment and, of course, preserve the cultural heritage. This is a screenshot of the image that we took for the municipality of Venice. So it is a Pleiad Neo collected in 2022 in this case. I kept for the end of my speech one very important information. The municipality of Venice receives every 2 or 3 years an aerial coverage of the municipality. And thanks to the 15 centimeter Pleiad Neo data, we were able to convinced them to switch from aerial data to satellite 15 centimeter data. Saying this just because with this very, very high resolution data, nowadays it is possible to start replacing aerial data. And in particular, our customers are very happy with this, and they think that satellites are even better than aerial data because of the complete mosaic and because of the possibility of covering wide areas. Just to leave you with a taste of suspense for the future, of maybe for another appointment with GeoAwesomeness. We are currently working also on another very exciting project that is related to the production of an elevation model starting from Pleiad Neo stereo data. And this is also very interesting because for the first time we are supporting a company with the executive engineering phase of an important project in Iraq. And this is a groundbreaking news because it allows us to propose also this kind of data to replace the aerial ones. So I would like to thank everybody, and I leave the stage for questions.